Hello everyone, my name is ANKIT BALVANSHI. I welcome you all on the video lecture Introduction to Pavements. What do you mean by a pavement? Pavement is the actual travel surface, especially made durable and serviceable to withstand the traffic load and pedestrian load coming upon it. Pavement grants friction for the vehicles, thus providing comfort to the driver and transfers the traffic load from the upper surface to the natural soil. Pavement construction begins by properly grading and preparing the site aggregate, sub-base and base course, which are topped with the finished pavement. So, the basic components of a pavement are: first one, subgrade. It is a soil layer beneath the pavement which bears the design load, receives infiltration water and is subjected to groundwater infusion due to seasonal fluctuations or upward capillary migration. Subgrade bearing capacity, uniformity and permeability are key factors in determining various pavement layer thickness. The other layer is the aggregate base and subbase. The base layer consists of a grade aggregate foundation that transfers the pavement load to the subgrade in controlled radiating manner. Heavy-duty pavements or weak subgrades usually require an additional layer of base material. This layer is known as subbase. It also consists of a clean but coarser graded aggregate layer. Both aggregate base and subbase typically extend beyond the pavement edge to provide lateral support and to prevent uneven subgrade loading. The third is the pavement. The pavement material receives traffic wear tear, transfers load to the base and subgrade. Pavement edge. Pavement edge require extra reinforcing to prevent breaking or crumbling due to eccentric loading, invasion of plant roots, or wind erosion in coastal sandy soils. Pavement joints. Rigid pavements require expansion and control joints to allow for contraction and expansion, which happens due to temperature fluctuation. Such joints may be butted, doweled, or keyed using pre-molded expansion joint fillers. So here we can see the different layers and components of a pavement. The bottommost layer is the subgrade. Second last we have geotextile membrane. Then we have the under drain installed. Then we have the lower subbase, the upper subbase, the laying course and the permeable paving. So this is a typical example of a design of a pavement. Another example we can see here that here on the top surface the paving blocks laid in interlocking herringbone pattern. So the finishing course has a herringbone pattern. The edge course blocks are arranged from side by side. There is 25 to 40 mm gritty sand on the laying course material and minimum 100 mm granular subbase course layer is provided. We have optional construction to provide a geotextile layer, and the lowest and the first layer is the preparation of subgrade. I hope you understand the introduction to pavements. Stay tuned and keep learning.